welcome back to my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for all the love, first of all, to my previous little small vlog that I made. I loved it. I loved making that vlog and I got so much positive response from the family, from the friends, and it was such a cute thing because nobody found it boring or something and they just kept motivating me. It's amazing. So today we are gonna have a wonderful day, even though I woke up really late. I slept late yesterday and had a tiring, stressful day. So now I have cleaned my bed. I'm just making it up properly now, and I have to clean the whole room because it's a mess, and I need to take down this Christmas book tree thing because I am going today to my maternal grandparents' house because it's my brother's birthday tomorrow and we're gonna have a blast today. So me and my brother are gonna leave in a while. Before that, I need to clean the house, pack up, and take everything that's important so that I can work even there and remember to vlog throughout the day. So these are my agendas for today, and hopefully we will get through it, and I will see you once I am going to get ready for the day. And yeah, so see you later. Bye. This is what my room looks like at the moment, utterly messed up, but we're gonna work through it. We're gonna clean this baby up and I'll get back to you guys once that's done. Tree, and here are the stacks of a few books that I am currently reading or plan to read soon. I am unhauling those, selling them away, and this is my book cart and it's full again because I have stacked the books back. Okay, so that is that, and it's time for me to take a bath now and get ready to leave. After taking a bath, I'm kind of ready. I'll change a little bit and I'll have my food now, and there are always disturbing elements around. That was my brother. Anyway, so I am all ready. I'll just change my lower and I am going to have my food now, and it's pretty late. Things moved a little late. I thought I'll deep clean things and leave after that. So right now I am packing up my bag and envisioning a good outfit that I can wear tomorrow if needed be. Packing now, and books are necessary. This is my cute little bag. I love it. Anyway, so these are my clothes. I am taking some sweatshirts and everything because I'm a very comfortable kind of a person and it's really cold in Gurgaon. I might pack some more books even though I'm just going for one day. And yeah, so now I'm gonna eat something because I'm hungry, famished here. This is what my outfit looks like for the day. All comfortable, as this is just a sweatshirt and a Zara, whatever you call it. And yeah, see you in the car. And now we have left. It's late. It's 4:55 and we'll be reaching around what time? 1.5 hours. So yeah, we'll take 1 hour or one and a half hour to reach there. And this is my brother Karmanya. I am going to introduce more people to the vlog. Anyway, so we'll be reaching Gurgaon in 1.5 hours and we'll see how much I can vlog there because I have my brothers there who I don't know how much they will be willing to. Okay. Road rage. Anyway, I don't know how willing they will be to be in my vlog, but I'll try to introduce you to more and more people in my life. So okay, bye. It's my second try because I had some music going on and YouTube has this whole shit. Anyway, so we have stopped for petrol because last minute drama that we always do. Hopefully it's our last stop and we can reach quickly because we are excited. And
yeah.
Anything to add? No. So he's a little shy right now.
No.
Are you not?
Nope.
Why are you looking away then?
Side walks है
Side profile. So okay, अब देखते हैं. अच्छा एक time lapse डालेंगे इसके बाद of the road and how beautiful Delhi still looks. Haley, I know you miss your mom and I know you miss your dad. So we have reached, and I think it's around 6:30 now. It's cold, and I'm gonna go upstairs, meet everyone, and spend some time with the family. And if we do something exciting, hopefully we do, I will vlog it. And if not, then we'll see you tomorrow. And for now, I will be reading this pretty beautiful book because I have not read a lot. I just read a little bit, but it is such a beautiful book, guys. The writing is very simple and the concept is great. It's his birthday tomorrow, and you can see him running around because he's so excited. Yeah, so I'll be eating halwa. I'll be eating some homemade delicacies, which are winter special, and eating some food and reading and enjoying movies with my family. I don't know why we are watching this movie because it is a waste of time, isn't it?
Yes.
People can't see you nodding. Voice your opinions, Chotu.
Yes.
So that's my younger brother, and I am reading because anyway I'm kind of sleepy. What's the time?
7:30.
So it's 7:30 and I'm already sleepy. I don't know why, because it's so cozy right now. So I'm reading and watching this weird movie. It's so weird. How can like people make movies like this and feel like it's gonna work? So I am done with the reading for the day, and I read like, I was on 50th page I think, and now I am 132 pages in. I won't be reading more, maybe I will, I'm not sure, because I am really sleepy at the moment.
Hi.
आप हमारे vlogs में हैं.
इसको दिखाओ.
इसका birthday, this guy, it's his birthday. They've already seen you. Honey, they've already seen you. Say hi. It's his birthday. ये 30 साल का हो गया है. 30 साल का.
25 साल का, and he's not so single.
I'm done reading now because it's almost his birthday. कितना time है?
Half an hour.
Okay, some says half an hour, some says 20 minutes to go. And we will... Huh? What?
Cut.
Cut.
Roll camera, action. Still 14.
Still 14. Okay. So अभी हम लोग सब थोड़ा सा zone में हैं, waiting for it to strike 12.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
पूरा फूल डालेगा.
And right now we have no other plan. So I hope you like this simple, short, cute vlog because there was not much to do really. And I hope you will like, share, comment and subscribe and show your support. So thank you so much for coming along on this short vlog, and sorry for all the voices because now I am in home and everybody is screaming and talking. So yeah, so see you soon, very soon, with another bookish video maybe. So thank you so much guys for joining in and sparing your time here. Bye and stay safe.